Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I am back trying to be consistent, so I don't know which video I'm going to post first. I have plenty of content that I have to do for so long ago, so we're just going to get back into it, but I missed you guys. Just wanted to let you know. But anywho, we're going to start off with our prep. We are doing a full set, as you can see. And then we are using our sanding man, which is 150 grit Pana Zebra. So today we're going to do a short full set acrylic with like some, it's giving Rockstar honestly, but yeah. So I'm just trying to find my way, trying to see what all I want to do. I am going to start doing more shorts, and I'm going to attempt, that's what we're going to say. I'm going to attempt to do more shorts, and I'm going to do the longer versions of the videos as well. So you guys just let me know what you guys want to see. But yeah, we're gonna do our prep. I did start cutting, so pretty much I'm just gonna show y'all one hand, because you're doing the same thing to one hand that you're doing to the other. So that's why you see those little pieces down there, which is her skin, that dead skin. Yeah, so after we go ahead and sand her down, we are going to nip off those dead cuticles, baby, because we do not want them. They do not live here anymore, okay? It makes everything look so clean, but I don't do this every time because realistically most people are not going to have all this dead skin every time, especially if they come out every 2 weeks. So don't just be nipping just to be nipping. You can see the dead skin, okay? If you see it, nip it. If you don't be trying to force it. But anyways, we're going to add our tips on here. These are more than likely Una Jello. That's literally what I be using most of the time, and these are square tips, extra long. And we're going to use our Makartt nail glue as well. So I'm going to talk, but I'm not going to talk the whole video, guys. I'm just explaining what I'm doing. So now I'm going in and blending the tips with the natural nail, because I'm not even going to lie to you. Sometimes you don't have to do it. It just depends on the nail tip. So if you don't have to, like it seems like it's smooth, you don't have to blend it. But some tips are thicker than others, and some tips don't sit. The tips don't sit on everybody's nail bed the same way also. So sometimes you will need to go ahead and blend it in, because if you don't, just depending on what color base you're going to use for the acrylic, the tip, like what a tip meets the natural nail, it will definitely shine through. So yeah, that's just a little tip for you guys. But we're blending them in and everything. And sometimes, like right there on that little corner, I was taking off like the little piece that didn't adhere, you know, like all the way. So you can take those off as well. And if I need to, I will custom up the shape, because sometimes we do have to go a size up on the nail tips to make sure that it fits. Because baby, go size up, don't go size down. All right. Alright, so boom, right here you're gonna see me bring out that alcohol. Use that if your client's nail bed is burning. Yeah, it takes the heat off. It's an exothermic, so it takes the heat out rather than bringing the heat in, which yeah, acrylic can sometimes heat up the nail plate, especially if they just snatch their nails off. But we are priming with our Young Nails protein bond as always. We are using Young Nails Monomer as well as Young Nails Cover Pink. This is like my favorite of all time cover color as of right now. Like when I tell you I go through the Cover Pink, baby, I go through it, okay? And also buy in bulk. It'll save you so many more coins in the long run. And honestly, when I bought the big thing off of their website, and they do have sales, so baby, buy them when it's on sale. But I swear to God, it lasted me over 6 months. Not even kidding. And I have a good clientele, if I do say so myself. So yeah, we are just going ahead and laying our acrylic. This is sped up, but yeah, you get the gist of it pretty much. Just make sure those cuticles are sealed in, like make sure it is flat so you don't have to do all that filing when it comes down to it.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. You got it bad for me, babe. I'm so glad that I can have this, baby. Nobody else true. Nobody else made this move. Nobody else had a clue what I could do, what I could do. The right amount of love, right amount of trust, right amount of dick. Right amount of slapping me up, they don't know how to fit. Right amount of love, play, right amount of talking to me. Oh, yeah, yeah. Feel it in my heart, feel it in my soul, feel it in my body. My body feels that you do know. We'll never fall out of love with you. Choo. I don't wanna fight, baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you.
Alright, so once the acrylic is laid, we're gonna go in with our 80/80 grit with Pana. This is Zebra. You guys already know the drill. I get everything off Amazon pretty much. The only thing I really don't get off of Amazon is my like acrylic powder, stuff like that. I get it from the Young Nails website. Unless I'm just in a bind, I will get it off of Amazon, but more than likely I'm gonna shop straight through the website. Other than that, the only other things I don't get is like, you know, gloves and stuff like that. Sometimes I just go into Cosmo Pro and just get my stuff from there. So yeah, and you know, they be having sales and discounts and stuff. Some people go to Sally's, stuff like that. Like I'll go to Cosmo Pro like to get my barbicide, my acetone, alcohol, things of that nature. They have good deals. But once we go ahead and finish that shape, we're gonna crispen it up. We're gonna make sure that, baby, they kind of tapered in, because sometimes, you know, somebody has a wide nail bed, you don't want the nails to seem wide as well. So we're going to taper that in. That's what we're doing. And also make sure you go across the top of the nails, because you want them things to be sharp, unless your client doesn't like sharp. And then you can just buff it out at the end, because that's what I do. Because baby, I ain't rounding them. Sorry. So yeah, that's what we're finna do right here. I'm just gonna go across the top of them and make sure that if you turn their hand facing you, it just gives you a different angle, because you can do it the other way with their hands facing down. But if you flip it, then you can see what they see. So make sure that everything is straight. so enough about that. We are going straight into the nitty gritty. What you guys are here to see, the start of the show, babes. We are doing our nail design, so we are doing black and green. I think the black is probably MelodySusie, Amazon, and the green is from what are these people called? Shit. They are called Dynamic Gel. What is that called? Dynamic Nail Supply, I think is the actual name of it. But yeah, and the color that I'm using is going to be color. Sorry, I'm looking at it right now. 011 is the green color. And I like them. I'm not gonna lie, I do enjoy them. Their colors are very pigmented. The only thing that I don't like about them is sometimes the fact that they are on the thicker side. Baby, you gotta do thin coats, okay? If you're gonna paint the whole nail, baby, they gotta be thin as the wind, because if not, they're not gonna cure correctly, and they are going to bubble up. I have had that problem with numerous colors, but other than that, I definitely like them. Also, just kind of cure it longer, but make sure on the sides that, you know, how polish kind of drift to the side or whatever, make sure that, you know, you make it thin, especially on the sides, because it's going to bubble. But they are thick. I love them, especially for nail art. But yeah, just thin them out. Like, not thin them out, but make sure you do small, like thin coats of the color first. You know, like to make sure that it dries completely. Sorry, I'm talking y'all head off, but I'm trying to get through this voiceover, baby, because I'm trying to get this content out, because we got Halloween coming up. And yeah, I ain't even gonna say too much on Halloween, baby. Just know it's coming. Alright, so as far as the nail design, I should have put you guys a picture up here, but for the nail design, as you see, we're doing a star on the pinky, we doing the zebra print Frenchie on this finger, and we're going to do a French on this finger as well, on the index finger. Alright, so with that index finger, we are going to add some blooming gel. This blooming gel is from Makartt, aka get it off Amazon. I do enjoy it, actually. I really do like it. But we're going to do this kind of design where we're going to bloom it, but we're going to bloom it up and down rather than like a standard croc print. And then on the sides, just how you would do a croc print. Yeah, so that I don't even know what to call this, but it came out very, very cute. So on the middle finger, we are going to do some airbrush. I just put some acetone. Baby, I know they said not to do it, okay? We know, but hard-headed, make it all fast. But anywho, we are going to go ahead and airbrush that in the middle of that black. I definitely should have airbrushed it a little bit more, to be honest with you, but it's okay. For the thumbs, you know the thumbs are never shown in the video or the pictures for whatever reason. We don't know why. So we just kind of added something on the thumb. Instead of just doing a regular Frenchie, we're going to outline it in the green color.
Hello, stranger. It's been a minute since we last kicked. And by the way, just got in town, and I won't let cumulus clouds all in the sky ruin my vibe.
Alright, babes, we are top coating with our glossy top coats from Koopa Nail Supply. I definitely get this off Amazon as well, but please buy it in bulk, y'all. These little bitty bottles, you're gonna run through them. And the 16-ounce refillable bottle is like $45 on Amazon. I think like last time I bought it, I think it was like $40-something, and it's definitely gonna last you months. When I say months. And I definitely enjoy the Koopa top coat. This is one of my favorites. Just the velocity of it. I definitely enjoy a thinner top coat than a thicker one. The thicker one, I feel like it definitely, you know, can make or break the shape, and you'll have to go back in and reshape. Sometimes it spreads too fast to like the sides, or you know, like it kind of couples up on the side, and then you have a bubble. Don't nobody want that, baby. Then you gotta go back in and fix it, and ain't nobody got time. So now it's time for the embellishments. You guys already know we're going to use our Makartt nail rhinestone glue, whatever the fuck it's called. We love her, we adore her, we're going to use her forever. I stay stocked up on her Amazon. I don't even know if Makartt has a real website, but yeah. Anywho, we're gonna add those, and I'm going to cure it with my little bitty lines, because when the big charms, you want to try to at least flash cure them so they won't move. We're gonna add some more stars. We're gonna add this one, I think, on the middle finger, and I think that's it for the embellishments. No, I'm lying. I am gonna add some different ones, but I think those are gonna be on the other finger, to be honest with you. But yeah, flash cure in the middle. So this is pretty much it for the set. Thank you guys so much for watching, for tuning in. Let me know what you guys want to see here in results, and like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.